Hey, it's Joe Fear here from GetThrivecart.com, and in this video, I want to make a short one for you. It's just basically a quick one to tell you about some updates that just came out for Thrivecart. A lot of the times these updates kind of sneak by and no one really says much about them. They're occasionally mentioned inside the Facebook groups. Thrivecart's got their official group. We have an unofficial one at the Power Users. Either way, a lot of these updates slip out almost every single week and sometimes even daily because they come out with a lot. Actually, for this year, they've already come out with 256 updates. So this stuff's amazing. Thrivecart, it continues to grow and get better, more powerful and more powerful. And it's still a one-time fee at the time of this recording for a lifetime offer. So definitely, if anything, if you don't have it, I would definitely get off the fence soon because I know it is switching over shortly. We don't know a date yet, but we have heard some kind of whispers and talks about things changing very, very, very soon. Because some of the biggest key things that the Thrivecart team wanted to put out before actually doing a full public launch were some necessary big tech kind of modules and things that go into Thrivecart. And there's some pretty big, pretty sexy ones coming out soon. Can't really say anything more than that right now. But what I can say is that there are new updates, and Thrivecart actually published this just to kind of give an update of where things are at. So I just wanted to make this super fast just to kind of keep you in the know as well, is that there's some new currencies updated. So these occasionally come around. There's a lot of requests for different currencies. So it's all kind of based off of demand. But the Polish currency and also the Philippine peso have just been added. And the way you do that is, of course, under your products, any product you have created or one you edit, you just simply go in there under the pricing tab right there. You have the selection to choose one of all of these currencies. There's quite a bit of them, and I can't pronounce most of them, but these last two are brand new. So I know the Philippine peso is a pretty large one that's been in demand. So that's now available to everyone as a currency that you can accept as payment. And that works great for Stripe and PayPal as the two that they're available for. Now, the next big update over here is in the Affiliate Management Center. Now, we're starting to actually use this a lot more for our own products, which is really cool. So it's kind of like a big test of the Affiliate Center for ourselves. We've used it as affiliates for a long time, and it's amazing, but it's extremely powerful. If you haven't used the Affiliate Center yet, I highly recommend going over there and checking it out and getting folks to promote your own products. This is a tester account, so you can see there's no stats in this specific one. But what they've added, and I'll just kind of show you here, is essentially you can reassign commissions. So imagine if you had multiple affiliates maybe competing on bonuses, or someone really wanted to buy from some specific person for some reason. Who knows what it could have been? It could have been a client. They want to get credited, as like kind of a referral. But maybe for some reason they did not get credited. You now have the power to reassign their commissions inside the affiliate dashboard, and that would be living under the My Affiliates tab, and then you can do quite a bit of stuff inside of there. So another one that actually just came out is that you can adjust different commissions. So based off of if commissions that were already due, that have been due, or if it's a subscription, you can actually go out there and essentially take any sale and apply an affiliate to it. So the whole thing is, maybe there's something that wasn't crediting an affiliate originally. You can now go and apply a commission to a specific affiliate and actually do a whole bunch of different settings that way too. So there's a whole bunch of things. The Affiliate Center, we actually have a video on that. I just wanted to show it to you really fast because it dives big into the Affiliate Center. I'm just going to type it in really quick. And this is at GetThrivecart.com. You could see how to use Thrivecart's Affiliate Center and customize commissions. And now there's actually more stuff you can do, but you can see there's quite a bit you can do. So if you're looking to really understand the affiliate commission area and how the whole partner center works, definitely head over to getthrivecart.com and just search up affiliate commissions or affiliate, and I'll link that under the video as well. So another update that you have is that you can actually claw back commissions. So you couldn't do that prior to. And if there were, you can actually remove an affiliate from a specific sale, or you can prevent them from getting more commissions or clawing back all commissions you might have already paid. So there could have been, as an example, a bad affiliate sending really bad traffic, or maybe there's it's just a lot of chargeback traffic, or they're doing some stuff that you just don't agree with, maybe with your branding, or they're against your terms, whatever it might be. You now have the power to actually claw back those commissions and more or less ban them from promoting any further and preventing them from selling further. So that's a great little safeguard in case your refund rate's high, you're getting chargebacks, or you just don't agree with the type of marketing that's happening around your products. That's the key thing, is you want to make sure you have a great affiliate. So you want to keep an eye on that. And the affiliate center is a really good place to do that. You can actually sort people based off of their refunds now. So based off of their refund rate and how much traffic they've sent you, there's a lot of ways to kind of filter and see who's doing great, who's doing not so great. And maybe you can kind of take more attention or pay more attention to the folks who aren't doing so great. So if refund rates go higher, for instance, you can maybe try to spot a trend or reach out to these affiliates and work with them. Maybe it's a specific type of content they're using, or a traffic source, or maybe they're just not explaining the product properly. Whatever it might be, you now have the power to really sort and filter what your affiliates are doing, and you have the ability to reassign commissions, take away commissions, and pretty much prevent them or help them to sell more. Whatever the case is, you're in now a lot more control. And like I was saying at the beginning of this video, Thrivecart's already released over 256 updates. A lot of these are small ones, that's true, but a lot of these are also massive ones. And not all the time are these things communicated by us. So I wanted to make sure that we created this video for you, so you know that this Thrivecart system is continuing, always being updated. It's always being updated, and there's massive things on the way, and it's coming very soon. So if you don't have Thrivecart quite yet, definitely urge you to go grab it. It's worth every penny of it. Really, for the price of it is right now, all you would have to do, when this thing goes to lifetime, recurring, I would just assume it's about the $100 per month area is just kind of the thoughts that I've had around it. Really, you could just stick for about 6 months. And you are, if you stick longer than that, which most likely you are, it's your payment gateway, it's your checkout page, you're going to be end up saving a lot of money. And we also have a great bonus package that we've already, we showed it off a little bit, but we're always adding to it as well. You can find it at getthrivecart.com and just click the bonus tab on top, but it'll give you the full rundown here. Bunch of done-for-you templates, ROI tactics, and ways to make your money back on Thrivecart as fast as possible, and new stuff happening all of the time. So that is all. New updates all the time happening from Thrivecart. Expect more content videos from us. We're shooting for weekly. If we don't get to it, I apologize, but we're doing our best, and a lot of folks love them. So go to getthrivecart.com. Check out the links below the video. If you have any questions, please reach out. We try to do live support and personally answer every single person coming through, because I know we all have our own issues. We all have our own things we're trying to integrate with and work with. So if you have any questions, just fire us a message. All right. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.